This is the complete powertrain of a modern electric vehicle. Unlike gasoline engines, electric vehicles operate without combustion. Large battery packs are placed low in the vehicle to store energy efficiently. Each battery pack contains thousands of individual lithium-ion cells. Electricity leaves the battery as direct current, or DC power. The inverter converts DC power into alternating current. Alternating current allows the motor to create rotating magnetic fields. The electric motor is where electrical energy becomes motion. Magnetic forces pull and push the rotor into rotation. Electric motors deliver full torque instantly. A simple gearbox reduces speed and increases usable torque. The differential allows wheels to rotate at different speeds. Power is delivered smoothly to the wheels. During braking, the motor recovers energy and recharges the battery. The motor temporarily becomes a generator. Cooling systems keep batteries and motors within safe temperatures. Computers constantly manage power, speed, and efficiency. Electric drivetrains are far more efficient than combustion engines. Every component works in precise coordination. This is how electric vehicles convert energy into motion. Here is the complete engine, where every component works together seamlessly to produce motion efficiently and reliably.